How to react on BeReal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to react on BeReal. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the application, let's first visit the App Store right here, or any respective app store you have for your phone, and let's search for BeReal. And from here, we are actually going to check if our app is up to date. So just click on BeReal. Now, if it says open right here, that means that your BeReal app is currently up to date and you're good to go. However, if it shows an update option, that means that your BeReal app is currently outdated. So just click on the update button and you'll be updating your app with the latest features, especially the feature of being able to react to a certain post. So once you have made sure that your BeReal is up to date, let's just go ahead and open the BeReal app. And for example, I want to react to random photos from the discovery page. You can also do this for your friends' posts, but I currently don't have friends right here because I just created my account. So I'm just going to click on the discovery tab right here. And let's scroll all the way from here. You can also see many photos from users all over the world. So just select a certain photo right here. Example, this one right here. So to react on a certain post, just click on this emoji option right here at the bottom right part of the post or their picture. So just click on that and it will immediately show different emojis. So just click on a certain emoji you want to use to react to that post. For example, this one, and it will immediately open up your camera page. And then BeReal will ask you to capture your own representation of the following emoji with a picture. So just take a picture as you like and click on the shutter button right here. And just click on continue if you want to use that photo to react to that certain post. So that is how you can basically react on a BeReal. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.